Okay, still on the late night show, with your boy, Baller, and every, But don't forget to go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Make sure reach them, drop comments and every. Big shout out one more time to monetization, I will see carry that simple from mouth well. I will blend them very, very well. All right, now I want to bring in another beautiful lady. She beautiful, she hot that. Like I talked last time when I carried Julius Ibrahim come. Say, say suppose you're fine. You do fine. You like a witch. You're fine anyhow. Stay one place. This particular one, beautiful actress, beautiful somebody who are going to get even a man that is a very, very handsome somebody. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure help me put our hands together as I welcome the very, very beautiful Damilola. Damilola.
Sir.
Now what?
Now what?
Wait. Say una dey plan to find like this? I mean, just a launch now come out anyhow like that.
We no plan am now. God bless us, give us wetin we sell market.
So how the market don't take this?
We thank God, they move.
They move a bit.
If it move faster though, but they move small.
You don't say never dey run. At least if you still run faster, if you still fly further, boom.
Make we not even see him,
Now you na area girl. I say you na area girl because you be Surulere babe. Surulere, I say, when person like me too, who have grown up in a Surulere, and when I jam a fellow Surulere somebody, he dey touching my heart.
Oh, now for Surulere, you
don't Surulere, I mean, not good outside now.
We're not too far.
Which side be
I dey off Adelabu.
Off Adelabu? You're chopping up. Now area. What be the fondest thing we you remember about staying in Surulere and growing up for the area and everything?
Yeah, one time, my house, when rain fall, it go flood.
Everywhere.
You go come see pikin plenty, they want come swim. That time they go remember say they forget something for my house. All of them go join. I see they talk about them yesterday, memories. And now everybody don't big.
Everybody don't big now.
They form for Instagram.
Now everybody take go form now. Go start near person motto.
You go just they look there.
Just launch
them. God
for me, nice that rain see what you just mentioned. That breaks it. No go play. Mama come up for her, come up cloth. Rain, big. 2 days I no smile for house. 2 days
no see am.
I say, what's up? When they catch me, they beat me join.
They go beat you join.
Should they baff you for outside?
No, they not baff me for outside.
That one I believe. No, they don't baff me for outside too.
This one they not go one baff you for outside, but now you want go baff for outside.
No, so that time no. Some people would they go look for outside, they baff them. Some kind girls they will like for area.
You see why my mama no baff me for outside because of una type.
Now I type them. You only for corner.
Now because of una type.
Now people like easy beat. Oh, they bath them faster and belly They say hold bucket. You can't hold bucket. Carry your leg up. If you can't cry,
they bath me faster
for your mouth.
No, nice side. Between they always bath me that year. Damilola, welcome.
Thank
welcome.
you.
How the whole thing done? You say we don't see you for teen cell. People don't look. But now you don't leave that particular platform. You don't launch, go on that level. Say you come out onto based on anything. Say we're not too sweet your belly. Say you just want
really.
go.
I did think so for long ago.
Yes, and now one of people that will start the whole thing
now we start time.
Start time, go. No be people
now
join for
they join hand that time they pray, make the show take off.
And finally come
it
happen.
Don't happen.
Yeah, if let's say you go pray for us for yourself. That's say your prayer they make things happen.
So it don't reach like 8 or 9 years. I just want to see as the rest of the industry day, because now there they start.
Yes.
So I just wanted to see how film they, how the movie world they. They're not happy when they come out, but
I'm not saying now. But
it's not good for a man to be stagnant.
Just the one place for. You try 8-9 years. You have taken in the something. You supposed to even start your own.
You understand?
Because time don't reach. Now you have gone in the whole thing.
You don't take.
You don't take.
No vex.
But inside the whole thing, even if at all things not bring anything. At least things bring the man of your dreams.
I know saying good.
The man of the ministry. So tell me now, because they only tell us say for industry, want it. Tell me true. Say that time when the actors, how they looking at themselves. If you don't know now, her husband now Chris Attoh, the very handsome somebody, when I look at it, I see who I want to be for future. Hey, so a picture. See 12 now. Very, very lovely and sumptuous. You're not too far from me, you know. Even though me, I see handsome, pass I'm small, you know. I don't say you go fight me for your mind.
The people
now.
will get eye that time, then they see him.
No,
now we not get eye, not they see him. But those people wait there.
You know how many girls' hearts you break? You supposed to apologize to many girls for this country. Say, look, now me catch him. I'm sorry.
I've been more no vex. Even Chris Attoh to suppose they apologize to Nigerian men.
No, that was now 2 ways now. I go still come to you own because you go tell them for house in the later. Say, oh, God, they won't see you for that show. Because he said supposed to apologize to the men. Say, why? Because men they look as if we catch
now
you.
two of we.
No, well, now very, very wonderful thing. You do on the very light side, in on the dark side. Now chocolate too. That means
chocolate. True,
because
true.
And then God don't bless now. It's one very fine. So you know, even be like we don't even drop.
I don't drop. Today it go be 6 months, 3 weeks.
6 months, 3 weeks.
Yes.
You know they get small teeth.
You
never get it. My friend own at 4 months, don't they grow teeth. I say, what you want your corn? You just come and just teeth just in the mouth. I say, we open the hand though. Maybe we go see hair for one piece. Because
white hair, not be any kind of hair.
Then you say yes, old age come from Beleko. But so far, which other thing they on ground now? Onto as you don't come up for things, what's up now?
You get one movie where we just shoot finish. Actually, in a TV series, they call them Before 30.
Okay.
So how the story go? Then Before Girls.
Okay.
And really, the summary of the series, it just they talk about the wahala, the pressures where Nigerian women they face to marry before 30 because everybody believes say once you knack 30, if you never marry, expiration don't come your door. Be that.
Say, God, anyone. If he short ugly, anyone, no, make I just get one person name.
So the story just concentrates around the lives of 4 girls. Okay. Just they tell them story as then they face family issues, social issues, even for work.
Exactly. So all those particular ones, they all joy sharp because I know what my twin sister see. I feel say yes, they're supposed to do all this kind of things to just reduce the pressure. 1 or 2 months they give all this our ladies.
And people never to address them. But if you talk to like 9 out of 10 young girls, now their problem with that.
Someone come they look
say their mama they disturb them, they self want marry. So this series is good because every girl go find somebody for among the 4 girls.
The 4 girls where she feel
relate. Even if not be she, go be her friend or her sister or cousin. So a good say we dey address am. Na serious matter for this side now.
Yeah, at least we dey see say through our movies and even these particular soaps they don't teach us some kind things for some kind because some day we dey see sometimes some of these our movies they tire me. We always talk this particular one about spirits them.
But we know they do why una dey do we know they do those kind of movie again now. 2014 who they shoot that kind of movie? All those ones wey dey watch now old ones so.
But they still test poison. They still test poison. You put it into mix and mix. The person go catch.
Which movie be that?
I mean, if I call name now, it will spoil the market. It will spoil the market. But we're happy the way things they take go now. You know, people they premiere movies and all that and everything.
They improve.
Enough improvement done there already inside our whole industry. Now back to you and Chris now. Back to you and Chris. For proposing things because we get the picture of when he proposed to you and the way you grab him neck. Say, now you, I catch you. How that evening be for you? That particular, see the picture for there when he kneel down everything. One day me I go do my own too. You come home from there, say he breathe for years, so he breathe well.
I know. You know what it concern me.
Then you want suffocate and say you. You're just seal everything.
You people, we go found now. Go dig all the pictures.
We dig everything. Come out, say you. But seriously, how love life and everything before you so
we
far?
Thank God. We thank God. It is sweet.
It is sweet. Because I like to talk of people.
It is sweet.
When people, some women, if you ask them all this kind of question, they will tell you, say, all men are the same. Because they don't break their hearts. You understand? So I like to hear from people the way they work for. So I think if we hear more people that they work for, we can get better more stories for outside.
The cocoa be say make people know not be by force to settle. If you never see that person wey you
Your
connect with, at least 95%, and we dey know, unless you no wan gree.
Yes,
But you
battle
go
the thing.
know,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
And na wetin dey make am sweet. But if two of una dey by force,
You say one thing,
no
one thing.
magic wey wan happen.
Wetin come make you click with Chris?
I no know.
So, because sometimes na true. This one we talk so you don't know. So
I no know.
sometimes na true. You no go fit know that thing. We just make you just this person just.
You no go fit explain am. In fact, sometimes sef we dey believe say maybe we dey together for past life. Na why we no fit separate. Because sometimes we go just look each other say, but why we no dey apart? We no fit dey apart. Even when we dey fight, we no fit.
Yes, because you go fight. The fight sef go see they bring everybody together last. Unlike some people we all fight, just go your own. Just go. Don't call me again. In next 2 hours now, you say. You don't joke. And then you know say you and this person may forget.
Now that one be love.
So like my comedian friends, they will talk and say we died there together, me and you.
Now that one be the true love. And you know they control am. You know get wetin you want. You know they try.
You know they try. Just dey happen on his own.
Just dey happen.
But nobody talks say the fight no go dey there or it go dey.
The fight go dey. But you go do am in such a way say na that fight go make am. When you come make up, sef you go strong.
Hey! And they like all those makeup things. You know,
you
that
know?
makeup. You know what you
Now you sabi o.
No, baby, I'm very, very sorry. You know, po. You know, different things they happen. You know. You know, that spiritual gist I just
You
now.
understand?
Some people they know what they talk like that. But aside all this one, aside this before 30, waiting else do on board for
Well,
Dami?
I get some few things. You know, say I get belle, so I
Just,
disappear for
for
some
some
time.
time.
But now, as you don't come back now, I don't read well now.
Onto hustle P.
My eye don't read now. So you get a few things for here and then for Ghana too.
Okay.
And then some of my own personal projects too, where I did do.
Okay.
So now here, I'll come talk am for here again.
Most
Don't
them.
worry. I too happy say I dey do this
No,
interview.
seriously, me, I too happy say you dey here.
I never talk pidgin for my whole career. How many years?
Seriously?
Past 10 years. Now English,
English. They don't know say you are down to earth somebody. Because most people they look now for TV, they say, see them. They don't like say nothing.
Na packaging, maybe say.
But onto your modeling things now. That means offers for modeling and everything will come.
Everything go come.
It
Now
go
Baba
come.
God go do am.
No, finally. But now that means now if they say you now half Nigeria, half Ghana now.
I don't even know whether na half Nigeria, be na full Ghana, quarter Nigeria.
You no go run leave us like that too. When God don't bless us with somebody that very fine like this.
I don't know how I want to do it because my mama self na cross river, papa na Oyo, and then husband Accra. How I want to.
You don't turn to West Africa.
I be half caste now.
Somehow, somewhere. But
I be quarter caste.
we will all call you West Africa.
Somehow.
Quarter caste go work. That one go work well. It go work very well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the way things they be like this now, we go art film here now. Say you said go soon to do directing, producer, everything.
Now that one they like I am.
Okay, you know what to go. We just match break now. By the time we come back from this break now, you can't tell us, okay, make we act this one or this one. So just think for your head now. Just create one role now because me I dey act pieces. When she come here last time, I say make you do one we go kiss. But she no agree. She just say man, her lips dey pain now. So today now, just reason one kind one we could just
I dey think.
So ladies and gentlemen, when they come back and see the late night show, we're not go anywhere. Dami still there here. Now I want to enter a movie role something. You understand? Because me and the whole this industry, every now we go do everything. And they act, and they dance, and they talk.
You the model?
And they model. Now I did anything. If you like bring rat poison, my mother go model and with pride. Rat poison here buy to help your family and your food stuff. All right, so Dami, what you go act now? Is it be just put one thing on the underlay to create a mood for it?
So today, you know, as that time as we dey talk for behind set, say not be everybody sabi speak, not be everybody need to sabi speak pidgin because some people not dey exposed to that kind.
Yes.
So now today, me I be angelic.
Okay, you be angelic now.
You go come toast Angelique.
Hey!
You go come toast me.
Toasting.
I not hear pidgin, no.
Okay. Oh,
so
you don't hear pidgin?
You go find one way to take toast me, not sabi speak English now.
Okay.
Just
so.
you go just balance am. Let's say I dey one reception now, sit down, dey wait for my driver. You can't see me. I need to talk to this girl.
I just sight you.
But as you come approach me now, you see say I no sabi speak.
Okay, so I can't find my own pattern now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so you are giving us our white shorts now. Our white. So me, I go come out, I go enter. Then I go take my position. Adi Baba, my director for back, he dey hear me, so give us a white short and everything. Hey, okay.
Who go calm down for us?
Eh?
Who go calm down for us? Action.
So,
I go. Good luck.
Hey. So for my mind
Today now your judgment day.
Okay, so easy.
Okay.
You done ready?
Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Action.
Baby girl, how far now? How your side? So you're fine. I just sit down for you, just inform witchcraft things on only you just there.
I'm
How
sorry,
far now?
what?
Yeah. So I'm sorry, what? Say you know they understand the flow what they drop for you like this.
Me?
Yes, now you have to follow the yarn now.
The yarn?
Yeah. You know that they speak pidgin. Okay, see, baby, forget these things. See, I feel just introduce my own word to you. You understand? The way you take fine like this, then forget, man, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. See your smile, self. Only they attract the full heaven.
You're so cheeky.
If that one like Shiki die. Shiki? My second name is Shiki.
What's your name?
My name is Michael.
Michael.
Yeah, but they call me Ogbolo, you know, for short. Or as baby, you just say, Ogby baby.
Ugly baby. I like you already.
Me? I don't love you. Hey. See, this love I get for you, not be joke.
Oh.
Not be joke. Forget. See, as I did like I feel die for you. I feel do anything for you.
Thank
Mama,
you.
forget I will put her for back because of you.
Aww.
Anything.
I like you, Ugly baby.
Hey. So what's be your own name now?
Eh?
What's be your own name?
Angelique.
Angelic, you see, Angelic, oh, you dey remind me of angels. You understand? Angelic, you know, because you look like angel like this.
I like you,
I
Ugly.
love you, time. So I feel like,
Where your house dey?
my house,
Uh.
you know, say, see this country, different things they happen. You understand? I did somewhere near Ajegule side. You
I
understand?
like that side more they go.
Oh, you like that side?
Yes.
Oh, who's making the better at the funny?
I don't get why they wait for here now. You are the wait
Oh,
for.
now me dey wait for here. When some things they come free like this, not the two they do though. Because no come who be wish they put for position because of person.
Maybe now wish sit down
Maybe
they
now
wait
we just
for
dey wait
you.
for you. Go and destroy
no
his
get
destiny. Go and destroy his destiny. So we don't finish that.
Don't they follow you? Go
Don't they
and
follow
do
me?
that. Hey, try.
I try. Easy bit. How my acting be?
Over 10.
Over 10. What you be over 10? What you go for?
5 over 10.
Oh, I'll give you 5.5.
5.5.
5.5.
Wait. That mean that be it.
5.5.
Boy, now speed. Yeah. So after all this sweat, why I sweat like this?
Now so
For
we
this
serve the
toasting.
sweat.
Yeah. So,
Yes, that
Yeah.
poison way so that they taste. You know how many times they test them before they shoot?
So,
Now so we too they suffer.
So-
You never even do anything. You know,
seriously,
sweat.
I don't dey sweat, not be joke. So act on not be play. Oh.
Not be play. Oh.
Me, I dey used to doing stage acting.
Oh, stage acting hard part.
That one I hard pass now.
Na hard
But
pass.
this movie own, you say lights and everything will come plenty for face. But 5.5 over 10.
You try.
That one a very poor mark. That means I need to work on my toasting ability. Because I know they toast normally. Oh.
Okay.
So far from my life, I don't dey toast too.
You just come.
I just come. Hey,
Oh, now
you.
then they toast you.
Maybe the wrong person no go hear am. Come dey think say, actually, did he toast me or I toast him? Wetin happen? Anything fit go happen. All right, but Damilola, thank you. Say you join us on top of the late night show,
you.
and we dey wish you the best of best.
Thank
All
you
right?
so much.
So and then from here, you know, say before the year go soon finish now, we go hear bigger things from you. We hear bigger things from you. And tell bros, Chris, say very soon we want am on top this show. Instead,
I go sign and come.
You can't apologize
So
to
then they
everybody.
find out for here.
We dey find them. All the young men there, maybe they get plan from house. When they watch TV, just sit down for us, they get plan. You know, we plenty like that. Just
But
dey
don't
know
too late now. Waiting you want come do.
Just
Just leave them for other single girls. They still say find them.
Me just apologize. Finish.
Okay,
Now
if
she
they-
just
if
want
they
make
come.
you just go do. Chris, you dey hear us now. You have to come and apologize. You say for that picture you wear bow tie. Means I wear bow tie. All of us now they form gentlemen.
Come from
of
Ghana, just come carry everybody for here.
everything. Now
Supposed
wow,
to
I see they
come
jealous for the whole thing. But for that thing just now, for that people we see of you just now, they even kiss you for them.
Who be that?
Not be one guy will kiss you
Na
for
me
that.
then kiss.
No, the girl with the way act.
Not be me.
Okay, the girl we act.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. Now that one, with the act pieces. Dami, thank you very much.
Thank you
very
so
much. Like I told before, we wish you the best.
Thank
and
you.
of course. All right. Correct for house, they see me and the beautiful Dami. We sit down here, they do, plenty gist. After the whole thing, she will give me some kind of gist onto acting to increase my, my level of acting and the way I think they do everything. 5.5 over 10.
No space. Leave for actors. Go they do this one so they
Might do this one, I do. Okay. Say no space again. Look at the way they do my own like this. All right, so hope all of you don't enjoy the show for today like this. Shout out to Easy Beats. Thank you very much. You hold down the wheels of steel. And of course, my beautiful guests them from Monica to Damilola as well. And we say thank you to everybody. May wanna go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, follow us, gist and every. How do you take me to for Twitter?
at Adedami Ademee.
Okay, at Adedami, reach there. Follow
Everything,
her.
Instagram the same.
Instagram
Twitter
the same
the
thing. Bam. Okay, so from us for here, make sure say you love yourself, show love to everybody. Now Monday nights be this. By tomorrow, make sure say you go around, just say spread love everywhere. All right. So election they come up, make everybody make sure say they go outside, go vote, and I beg, make sure say peace in this country. Easy beat. Carry and come on. So say good night to all of you now. So put music for us, maybe dance come up inside this place.